As a woman, have you ever noticed that your husband's sperm is thin and watery, and now you're worried? Can I even get pregnant like this? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many couples face this challenge a lot. But today, in this video, I'm going to break it down. What watery sperm really means, how it affects fertility, and most importantly, what to do to improve your chances of getting pregnant even with watery sperm. So stick with me till the end of this video because I am going to share natural tips and medical solutions that can boost sperm quality and help you to get pregnant even with watery sperm. But before I proceed, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that you don't miss out. Normally, semen should be thick and whitish, but when it appears thin, clear, and watery, that means it can mean a lot of things. Number one, it can mean low sperm count. So, what does that mean? It means that fewer sperm cells are present in your semen. Number two, it can mean low semen volume. What that means is that less fluid is carrying your sperm. Number three, frequent ejaculation. What that means is that you usually have sexual intercourse that lead to ejaculation of sperm frequently. There is not enough time for the sperm to build up. With time, your sperm will become thin, clear, and watery. Number four is nutritional or hormonal issues. And these can be caused by lack of nutrients, essential nutrients, or low testosterone level. These can make your sperm to look thin, watery, and clear. But it is very important for you to note that watery sperm does not always mean infertility. Some men with watery sperm can still father children, but it can sometimes lower the chances. So watery sperm can lower your chances of becoming a father, but that doesn't mean you cannot father a child. Now, your next question will be, can I still get pregnant with watery sperm? Yes, pregnancy is very, very much possible with watery sperm. Because what really matters is, number one, the number of active sperm cells. Number two, the motility, that is the movement of sperm. Number three, the shape and the health of the sperm. So these three factors matters when it comes to getting pregnant. So even if semen looks watery, if enough healthy sperm reaches the egg, fertilization can take place, pregnancy can occur. However, watery sperm is a warning sign that sperm could be improved. You can improve the quality of your sperm. So watery sperm is a sign that your sperm needs improvement. Therefore, while it does not make pregnancy impossible, it might make it harder or take longer time for you to get pregnant if your husband's sperm is watery. The next question is, what are the causes of watery sperm? Number one, frequent ejaculation. Daily ejaculation or multiple times a day can lead to thinner semen, or you engage in sexual intercourse that leads to ejaculation multiple times a day. This can make your semen very thin, leading to watery sperm. Number two is nutrient deficiency. Watery sperm can be as a result of lack of nutrients. For example, lack of zinc, vitamin D, vitamin C, and protein. Very important. The third factor that can cause watery sperm is hormonal imbalance. Infection is another factor that can cause watery sperm. The fifth factor that can cause watery sperm is alcohol, smoking, or drugs. Excessive consumption of alcohol, drugs, or smoking can weaken sperm count and quality. The sixth factor is stress and lack of sleep. And the last but not the least is medical conditions. Diabetes, thyroid problems, etc. can affect your sperm quality. Now, let's talk about how to improve your fertility with watery sperm. First, lifestyle and natural solutions. Eat food rich in zinc. Example, oysters, pumpkin seed, and antioxidants such as fruits, vegetables, nuts. In addition, healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, and fish. Lifestyle changes can as well improve your sperm quality, such as good sleep, Sleep 7 to 8 hours per night to improve your sperm health. Have a moderate exercise because this also boosts your testosterone level naturally. Reduce alcohol and quit smoking. Finally, manage stress with prayers, meditations, and relaxation. Folic acid and omega-3 is very important when it comes to boosting your sperm quality. The next action you should take is get tested for any infection and treat it immediately if present. If you have low testosterone level, your doctor may recommend hormonal therapy to boost it. If after 12 months of trying, there is no pregnancy, then consult your fertility specialist for semen analysis. In conclusion, watery sperm doesn't mean the end of your dream to have a baby. Yes, it can reduce your sperm quality, but with the right lifestyle changes, medications, proper nutrition, many couples can still conceive naturally, even with watery sperm. So don't panic. Use it as a chance to take better care of your reproductive health. And remember, fertility is a journey for both partners. Supporting each other physically, spiritually, emotionally is the best way forward. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fertility tips every week. See you in my next video. Bye for now.